Hi guys, it's your guy Bo here, and today we are going to be playing this game called Parkour Go. And as you guess, this does have parkour in it, so we are going to get started on an offline save. And these are the levels that I've played through, and these three I haven't. So we'll start with number 1. Okay, so looks like I have to get to the red beam at the top to get to the next level. Oh, I like this music. I'll jump. Wait, it glitched out, sorry. Okay, this one I have to run. I'm like Spider-Man. Man, this music, it sounds so familiar. Not sure if you guys can hear it. Oh, this sounds way too familiar. Run. Run, jump. Run, jump. Come on. There. Okay, why am I passing through that? That's not supposed to happen. And if this video gets to be 2 parts, I'm sorry. It's because the software on my computer only records for 15 minutes at a time. Ay. Hang on, I gotta try and close out of this. And let me get back to that. I'm really sorry. Cause that's not supposed to happen. Come on now, Google. Don't got all day. Oh, it's flashing. That's not supposed to happen. Finally. Now, judging by the time of this video, because I can see it's at 4 minutes almost, this is going to probably be 2 parts. Yeah, I don't know why it's called Parkour Go, because that sounds like something that a little kid would play. Oh, I did forget to say that the hoverboard video, well, not the hoverboard video because I already made that, the unboxing video probably won't be this week. It'll probably be, it's probably going to be postponed. But not the hoverboard video, guys, excuse me. I already made the hoverboard video. The unboxing video will, probably be postponed. So to make it up, I'm going to be having 2 gaming videos this weekend. One today, the other tomorrow. How this should work this time, I hope. Because, oh man, I love the music. Because this obviously sounds like a certain YouTuber's intro/outro. I just can't put my finger on it. Okay, now it's working. Wait, oh, dang it, I fell down. Backpedal, backpedal, backpedal. Oh, did you see that wall run? Dang. This ain't my favorite suit. My favorite suit is the kind you'll probably get, like, maybe, the other levels. And this is just a tutorial on this game if you haven't already played it. Ooh, that was close. Too close. Next level. Now the music does change. Oh no, I hate this music. This does not sound good. I don't like it. Whee! Wah! Ooh, a mattress. How considerate. Yeah. Wait, I think I... Wait, I'm going the right way, yeah. Now the trick is to look at where you're wanting to go and you'll get there. Whee! Okay, quickly, next level. This sounds a little bit familiar too. Tell me down below if you recognize where this music is from, if you've heard it in any YouTuber's intros. Oh, did you guys see that? Okay, that's not working. I'm gonna have to get some more momentum. There. wish this game was for the Xbox. I think in the online save, you can, wait, I didn't even jump like that. Some of the motions are delayed, because this is a really laggy computer. Wait, I don't think it's the computer, I just think it's the game. No, I didn't want to do that. Ah! Dang it, oh my gosh. I think I might have to do the side. What's it doing? Ah! Dang it, how much momentum do I have to get into it? Back up as far as I can. We'll do the side. Oh, that worked. Okay, one more. This part's a little bit tricky. No! Ah! You know what? Yes, I'm going to the main menu. I don't care about this. I'm just gonna go ahead and go to level 7. Oh, this reminds me of, what's her name? Her name's Eva Marie. This reminds me of her theme song. But if you guys have not played this game, you guys can find it at Crazy Games. But you have to have Chrome or Fox or Internet Explorer in order to have Crazy Games. But otherwise, but I'm not gonna really spoil anything because I just will tell you this: level 10 is amazing. And there's actually a trick I'm going to show you guys in the next video, possibly, if I don't get past this level in time. Because the maximum recording time on this PC is only for 15 minutes. Oh, someone asked for a shout out in my next video, and I'm not sure who it was, but shout out to them, I guess. Okay, here it is. Probably gonna have only enough time to get past this level, because I gotta hurry. Why can't I see? Well, guys, I hate to break it to you, but I'm going to have to call this episode right here, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye! But wait, before I go, I will upload the next video really soon, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Goodbye!